friends. Today we're gonna do another science experiment. For this science experiment, I have 2 cups with water, markers, you see the colors that I have? Colors of the rainbow, and a strip of a paper towel. For the science experiment, I am going to color the edge of the paper towel with the colored markers. I'm gonna do green, then purple, blue, orange, yellow, and red. And then I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna color the same colors on the back side. And I'm also gonna do it on this end, on both sides. And now I have both sides, but we wanna make sure that we take care of our supply. So I'm gonna put my caps back on my markers. Red, blue, and blue. Green with green, dropped one. Orange with orange. Purple with purple. And the last one, yellow with yellow. All right, so now that I have my paper towel with rainbow colors on both sides, I am going to put one side in each cup of water. Let's watch what happens. Try to get it closer to the camera. Let's see what happens when the paper towel absorbs the water. Do you guys see what's happening? It's growing a rainbow. Look at that rainbow grow as the paper towel absorbs the water. Can you guys try this at home?